So we have to do this program in AWT. So what is expected in this is you have to accept the username and password and check whether they are same or not. If the username and password is same, you are allowed to log in. And if you enter the incorrect username and password thrice, you will be asked to log out. So how will that look? So first we will take the frame. This is your frame which contains the okay, minimize, maximize and cancel. Okay, now this entire thing, I'll mark it in red for you. This entire stuff is called as window, called as the red is the window screen. Red is the, and the one in the green is your frame. This is your frame. Is the difference clear between window and frame? So if you add the minimize, maximize, cancel becomes the window. Now in the frame, I'll split the frame in the border layout. So what does the border layout do? It splits the container in 5 parts, namely west, east, north, south and center. So which is this part? Capital N, okay? North, and in double quotes, and in double quote. What is this? In double quote east. What is this? In double quote with a capital S. Double quote in a capital S. And this is west with a capital W and in double quotes. And what is this? Capital C and T E R. Make sense? Now I'll take a panel which will be of the size of the center part. So what is the size of the center? I'll take a panel. I'll split the panel into which layout? Grid layout, wherein each cell has the same shape and same size. So how many cells do we have over here? 4. Clear? And I'll put the labels. So if this is my label, the label 1, this is my text box 1. Label 2 and text box 2. Where in the, what is this called as? This is called as panel, with a capital P. It's a class. And I will arrange the label 1, text 1, label 2, text 2 in the panel, and put the panel where? In the center of the frame. And clear? What will go in the south? The login button. And what will go in the north? A label which will tell whether login success or login fail. So I'll take a label which will tell me whether login success or login fail. Make sense? This will be my design architecture for this program. Clear? Now let's code it. First we'll import the packages. Which packages do I need for AWT? Import java.awt.star. All the classes and interfaces in this package. This package is for all the designing part. And then I'll require one more. Import java.awt.event.star. This is contains all the interfaces for the coding part. Make sense? Make a class. What we are doing? Class login form. Let's say which extends. Where are we doing the designing? Which part? The green part. So it extends frame and which implements the simplest of all listeners is action listener. Listener. First, how do you spell listen? L-I-S-T-E-N and listener. Okay. Now, and make this class as public. Make this class as public because the main will go in this class. Clear? So far, so good. Now, declare all the variables which we will require. So, what will we require? One label, two label, three label, two text fields, one button and one panel. So, they all are classes. So, declare the capital. Label L1, comma L2, comma L3. Next, only the references, not the objects. Text field, what? T1, comma T2. That's all. Button V1, panel P1. Make sense? Now start the constructor of this form. Now I may start the constructor. The login form is the class name. The constructor will also have login form, default constructor. Now make objects of each one of them. So what is L1? Is a new label. What would you want to put over there as a caption? User name. Similarly, make a label for what? That will be password. Similarly, make a label for the third one, which will be blank, and that will be L3. Clear? Next, for the T1, T1 is new text field, empty. These are all constructors of this. Is the empty default constructor of the text field class. This is the parameterized constructor of the label class. So T1, T2. Makes sense? Then B1 is new button. And it has a constructor which accepts a string as argument. Clear? And P1 is new and default constructor. Clear? What layout will you set to the form? The green, the frame, the one in the green border layout. North, west, east, south, center is which layout? Border. So for the frame, I'll set border, and for the panel, I'll set for the panel which layout first? Grid layout. So the function is called set layout. It's called as, if it is called using any object, it belongs to that. I am calling using which object? So now this set layout belongs to which? Panel. So for the panel we have, and all the layout are classes. All the layout managers are classes. So you have to make an object of them. New what? Grid with a capital G, capital L. And what grid size? How much? How many rows? How many columns? 2 by 2. Close, close, semicolon. And when I call the set layout function without any object, it is by default understood to be for the frame. For the frame. So set layout, new what? Border layout. Make sense? Now, where will I add the L1, T1, L2, T2? In the panel. So, function is add. Function is, if I call add using an object, it is for that. P1 dot add what? L1, then so L1, T1, L2 and T2. Make sense? Now where will the P1 go? Center of the what? Frame. Now just call add without any object. And add what? P1, comma where? So double quote with the capital C. Clear? Where will the B1 go? Add B1, comma where? The capital S and double quotes. And where will the L3 go? Which button do you have to code? Of all these controls, which control do you want the code to run on? So register that with the appropriate listener. Which listener are we using? So add action listener. So b1 dot add capital A capital L, and where is the code for this listener? In this very class. So now set some attributes for the frame. Set visible. Is this function being called using any object? So it is understood to be for the frame. True. Okay, let's not copy. Then set title, and next set size, width and height. Width and 400 is width, 300 is height. Make sense? Close the constructor. Constructor job is done. Now what do we have? What have we promised? We have promised that we are implementing this interface, action listener. This interface contains one abstract method called as action perform. So we have to give body to that. So public void the small a and small capital P performed. And what type of listener is it? So we'll take action event as argument. A, and now to read the caption of where you have clicked, take a string variable, and the function is using AE, using the AE object A dot get action command will read the caption. So what do you think will come in cap? What is the caption of the button? So you want to use ignore case or equal? Just so if cap dot equals, will this work? Will this be true? No, because the login up is capital login, line number 18. And what are we searching for? Small. So in such case use ignore equals ignore small e capital I capital C. So and now what do we read? The two text boxes data. So we take two different variables. String username equals to t1 dot get text. Similarly, string p will be t2 dot get text, and when will we log in successfully? When the username and password is same. So case sensitive, case not sensitive, case sensitive. So don't use ignore case. So if u dot equals p, then what will you put on L3? Set text. What? Login success. Else what will go? Okay, first we'll do the simple flavor of it. Then we'll go into the what is has closed, if has closed, else has closed. What has closed over here? If. And what has closed over here? Action performed. Then in the very class, write what? Public static void main string args, and make object of which class? New login form. Clear? Makes sense? Where do I save it? D DCA 19 TY VCA 75 core Java AWT. Fine, already exists for the same name. So let's put it over here. login form dot java. Makes sense. Now let's compile and run it. Now let's run the program. First you have to compile it. Java C login form dot java. Compile Java login form. Enter. ABC capital ABC. Will it compile? No, because equals we have used case sensitive. Login unsuccessful. ABC with a small ABC. Login success. Control C to come out.